AI requires massive power! Instead of making bigger and bigger and more complicated computer chips, Intel uses chiplets, where different kinds of small, specialized chips all connect together on what's called a package, or the platform it all sits on, kind of like silicon mosaic art.
Enter EMIB, or Embedded Multi-Die Interconnect Bridge. While others use expensive silicon interposers as the connection layer between chips, Intel Foundry embeds tiny, high-speed silicon bridges only where they're needed. It's a data shortcut that slashes costs and turns this mosaic into an AI powerhouse.
Fab 9 here in New Mexico specializes in this EMIB technology. So essentially, for data center chips, you have two right next to each other. EMIB creates a bridge under these two for them to talk to each other.
The latest development is EMIB-T, which adds channels through the bridge to deliver power directly to the chips instead of around it, which improves power efficiency and signal routing required by the latest high-bandwidth memory technologies. It's more than speed, it's freedom. Only Intel Foundry can mix and match chiplets from different sources directly onto the industry's largest substrates. That flexibility is how we build the massive side-by-side AI engines that run today's data centers.
It's lower cost, higher yield, and faster cycle time than those other guys.